Hello everyone, this is LeArm song. Following the 3D animation in the last episode, have you finished the assembly of the robotic arm? And if you finish it, the robotic arm is supposed to be like this. In this episode, I will tell you how to weld the robotic arm. So there are two parts. The first part is insert all servos into the controller. And the second part is insert the wireless handle receiver into the controller. Before the first part, I want to tell you more about our controller in more detail. Okay, you can see there is a Bluetooth on it with the 4.0 Bluetooth module. You can connect to the mobile phone directly. And let us move to here. You can see there are 6 servo connection ports. In the middle is a USB connector. With it, you can connect to your computer very quickly. And let us move to here. You can see there are some ports which can connect the wireless handle receiver. And you can see there is a white button. This white button is offline running. The black one is the low voltage alarm. You also can see there are some, this one is the power supply interface, and this is the switch of the controller. So all of this is every part of the controller. Let us move to the first part to weld the all servos into the controller. Let us have a look. The first servo has been assembled in the claw, and this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, and the last one is under the base. So let us insert all the servos according to this order. Let us take the first line to insert into the controller. You can see there are some figures here. Every side has 3 figures. So because it's the number 1 servo, we insert it into the first line. Please pay more attention. You can see the white line is the signal 1 and the red line is the positive. The black line is negative. Let us move to the second servo. You can see this line has the figure 2, so you can insert it in it. It's okay. And how about the third one? Because this is the number 3 servo, so we can insert it into the line with the figure 3. Okay, the left side is finished. Let us move to the right side. You will find that there is no line in this servo, so you can insert this line. We will provide 2 servos line to you. Then use this line to insert into this line with the figure 4. Okay, the number 4 servo is finished. And this is the number 5 servo. We also should insert this line in it. And then put this line into the line with the figure number 5. Okay, you will find the last servo is here under the base. Insert it in the last line. So we have finished. We have inserted all the servos into the controller. We can in order to make the robotic arm more fantastic and more beautiful, we should use this one. This is the winding tube to wrap up all the lines together. You can put them together and then use this tube to wrap it. It's very easy for you to do that. Okay, we have wrapped all the lights together like this. It's so cool, you can see. And I want to tell you that please put all the lights in this side in order to put them together very easy. So the first part is finished. Let us move to the second part to connect the wireless handle receiver into the controller. You can see there are three groups here. The red one, black one, and the white one. Before connect it, we should put it through the controller like this, you can see. And here, the first line is the color is white. So you can choose the white color, choose the white lines to put it in it. And I want to tell you that you must put the sign with the metal shape face to the robotic arm. Second line is the black one. We put the red one into the last line. Okay, you will find that all of the lines are face the robotic arms with the metal sheet. So this connection is finished. You can have a seat like this. So all of this is my introduction of the wiring. I think it's very easy for you to do that. So thank you for your watching.